News coming in from the PSL Executive Committee led by CEO Mant Madlala is that the PSL has held a meeting yesterday, Monday, with the two parties that are involved, which is the curator and the Royal AM. In the interest of time, PSL has taken a decision to boot Royal AM out of the competition for this season, meaning that Royal AM will no longer be able to honor the fixture for Nedbank Cup, meaning that the fixture number 21 between Milford FC and Sekhukhune FC has been scheduled to take place at Princess Magogo at exactly 1500. The league is yet to confirm the ticketing information, but the time and the venue has already been issued exactly on Sunday. The PSL is yet to take decision with regard to Royal AM with regard to the remaining fixture of the PSL, which remain suspended. Please stay tuned. This is the Office of More Justice Football.